Morning student, I am Sandeep Singh with chapter 5 Cities of India. In this chapter we have read about cities of India. As you know that I have already taught you about cities of India and also about Delhi. So let's start about Mumbai. So, Mumbai is the capital of state of Maharashtra. Friend, do you know that? Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is located the west coast of India by the Arabian Sea. Mumbai is located on the west coast near Arabian Sea. It is one of the largest city in India. Mumbai is the largest city of India. Mumbai was known as Bombay earlier. The Mumbai was earlier known as Bombay. It is an important port city. Port city. So, what do you mean by port? A port is a place where ships unload and unload their goods and passengers. Where the load and unload the passenger or goods by the ship is called port. Mumbai is neither too hot nor too cold. It is warm and humid summer and pleasant in winter. The climate of Mumbai is neither too hot nor too cold because it is located on the Arabian Sea, near the Arabian Sea. So, sea breeze comes to the land, and Mumbai remain cool throughout the year. During the rainy season, it rains heavily. Student, by the sea of Arabian Sea, Mumbai received the heavy rain. It has several famous beaches like Juhu Beach and the Chowpatty Beach. It has the famous beaches like Juhu Beach, Chowpatty Beach. People in Mumbai follow different faith. In the Mumbai, many also people follow the different religions like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Persians, and others religions are faith. Marathi, Gujarati, Hindi and English are the main languages spoken here. In the Mumbai, the main language is Marathi and other languages Gujarati, Hindi and English are languages spoken here. Vada pav, Bhel Puri and the Pav Bhaji are the famous street food of Mumbai. Let's look more about Mumbai. Here is the Vada Pav and also Festival of Ganesh Chaturthi celebrated mainly in Mumbai. It is the main festival of Mumbai, Ganesh Chaturthi, and Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal and Ajanta and Ellora are the famous monuments of the Mumbai. So let's start about Kolkata. Kolkata is the Kolkata is the sorry. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. In the eastern India, it is located on the bank of river Hooghly. The city was earlier known as Calcutta. It has also earlier name. It was known as Calcutta. The city was created by the British more than 200 years ago. The city was formed by the British more than 200 years ago. Since then, it was grown become one of the largest and most important city in India. So, before the British established the Kolkata, and since then it was grown the largest city of the India. Kolkata is also an important port. It is also an port city. Kolkata port is one of the oldest port in India. Kolkata is oldest port in India and located on the bank of river Hooghly. Kolkata is a port that located on the river. It called Hooghly. It is a river port. Kolkata also known as a river port. Unlike Mumbai, which is a seaport. Mumbai is seaport, but Kolkata is a river port. Summer are warm and humid, and winter are cool in the Kolkata. In the Kolkata, the climate was humid and winter are cool. Beside the Mumbai, Kolkata has hot and humid winters hot and humid. During the rainy season, it's rain heavily. During the rainy season, it is heavily receive the rain. People of all faith live in Kolkata. The people of Kolkata many speak Bengali and English. The Kolkata people speak Bengali and English. The city known for its culture and food. Rasgulla, Mishti Doi and Luchi Aloo Dum are famous food of Kolkata. Next is about Chennai. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It is located on the east coast of India by the Bay of Bengal. Student, do you know that Kolkata and Chennai are located on the east coast of India by the Bay of Bengal? Chennai was earlier known as Madras. Chennai was also known as Madras. Chennai is usually hot and humid climate throughout the year. Sea breeze brings some relief in the evening. Here, sea breeze some relief to the people in the evening. Chennai is also a port city. Chennai port is one of the largest, busiest port in Asia because its location is southern of India, and many ships are come to this port, so it is the busiest port of the India. It has a rich history, music, dance. Chennai is rich in music and dance. Carnatic music and classical dance from Bharatnatyam are traditionally practiced here. Bharatnatyam is one of the most famous traditional dance of Chennai. Tamil is the main language spoken here, and other languages are Telugu, Malayalam and English are also spoken. People of all faith live here. Idli, dosa and vada with sambar podi and chutney are the popular food in Chennai. Thank you. That's all. Thank you.